Now when I do alive, what do you want to do? Appreciate me. Now when I do alive,
it's good, my people. Welcome back to Lion Mac TV. Mac here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. So this one, Port Harcourt felt the love from Patoranking, Obi Cubana, Ned Okonkwo, and the rest of others. They went for one of their own burial, Ifeanyi Cole or something, like the lady's mother to rest today in Port Harcourt, and it was awesome. The experience, the lifestyle, and everything there was completely a massive love to remember. That's what I'll be sharing with you here. Their time right from the airport where they take their private jet off down to the entire ceremony with Patoranking and Obi Cubana. Like, I never knew these guys could have this kind of fun at a ceremony or a wedding occasion. Like, it was completely awesome. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment below, enjoy the video.
What are you telling them? Greetings, Captain. Yo, come on from my a big one. Hey, President, my bro. What's up? I hear you. They sing that. Okay. When I do, when I day alive, let me say when I leave this world, you go to fake and for my loss. The dog. I thought I said, what did you don't remix? What did you read that? Wake up. The market is huge. Fatima bro. Suppose on the air. Oh yeah, now. See your man right near you, George Most. I'm 15 minutes away. For useless. So see artists, see collab. I want to do collab. You don't say me I don't blow, my brother don't blow. And make Patrick Ellis. Patrick go come shoot. No time now. Wait till they talk. Come make the life. Celebrate. Another day alive. Today. From the Nigerian to God today. Who am I now to complain? I beg you carry my blessing on. I will cheer you at the first of my dog. So you don't know what's show me my thoughts. You will be the same ball who are kingdom sing. Yes, sir. Celebrate me. Now when I do alive, what do you want to do? Appreciate me. Now when I do alive, say when I leave this life, you go to fake up for a while. Dr. Dead, you be big name. Obi Cubana, you be big name. The big one, yes, Dr. Dead, you be big name. Patrick Ellis, you be big name. On point, you be big name. Brother boy, you be big name. Anyway, up. Patoranking, you be big name. Oluwa make us a big name. Let we put all our enemies in big shit. So we say, celebrate us. Now when we day alive. Now when we day alive. Let me say, when we leave this world, they're going to break down for my rush. Obi has remixed it. Yes, it is. Collabo coming soon, my brother Patoranking. Obi got access to it. Hey! I don't get the number. Baba don't follow me, don't they learn Jamaica.
Arriving in Port Harcourt was something else entirely, as man like Chico surprised. Everybody knows that man like Chico is one of the biggest, like the richest billionaire in Port Harcourt. He's into oil. And he's from a wealthy family. He's from the Chico family. His father, I think, is the CEO of Chico Oil. And yes, he was the one who welcomed Patoranking, Obi Cubana, and the rest of others to Port Harcourt. I'm talking of Ned Okonkwo, Patrick Ellis, and the rest of others who were there present at this burial in Port Harcourt. And he welcomed them. Guy, he used a 2021 Lamborghini Urus to welcome this guy. It was such an amazing time there in the city of Port Harcourt. Like, they felt the love, they felt welcome, and that is what I'll be sharing with you guys here. So if you're new to the video, don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment telling me your thoughts.
I appreciate it. Now when I be alive, you go to flake up for a while. Dr. Beck is the big name. Obi Kubana. The big one for. Yes, Dr. Beck. Patrick Ellis. On point. Anyway,
your brother will sabi your work that knows the value of who is carrying. When they fly you sleep like a kid.
oh, big Kubana.
My own blood, brother, come on, may you live long. We're going back together. Thank you, I love you guys. See you guys. World best. See you guys. Chico the plug.
The man like Chico.
Man like Chico is here. Man like Chico.
Their time in Port Harcourt was nothing short of fun, vibes, celebrating life of a lost one. Yeah, the lady died at a very old age. I'm sorry I could not share the poster of the particular woman they laid to rest, like the son was laying to rest, and a friend of all of the celebrities and Nigerian socialites. But she was of age and she deserved this amazing show of love. We all know that if Obi Kubana, if Patoranking, Patrick Ellis, Ned Okonkwo, and the rest of others could attend a burial like this, then this guy must be someone who has been supportive, friendly, and close to the family, and yes, have all of them at heart. And that's why once it happens like this, they will have to come out, because it is not so easy for you to leave your busy schedule, business, and all other ventures to go out and start having this kind of fun in the plane and possibly and all of other places, you know, all the way in Port Harcourt. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here in the channel. I'll be playing you a little clip of a replay of our previous clip here on the video. Enjoy it. Drop a comment below.
I beg you carry my blessing on. I will cheer you, I will bless my God. So you know, no will show me my daughters. We will be same for who are kingdom same.
Yes, sir.
Celebrate me. Now when I be alive, what's the word there? I appreciate me.
Now when I be alive.
Say when I leave this life, you go to flake up for a while. Dr. Beck is the big name. Obi Kubana. The big one for. Yes, Dr. Beck. Patrick Ellis. On point. Anyway, come. Patoranking. Oluwa make us a big name. Make we put all our enemies in big shit. So we say, celebrate us. Now when we dey alive.
Now when we dey alive.
Hope you say,
We leave this world. They're gonna break down for my rush.
hope you has remixed it.
Yes, it is. Colombo coming soon. My brother Patoranking.
Hey!
I don't get it number.
Baba don't follow me, don't they let Jamaica. Wahala, don't they bad enough.